We're going to Fort De Soto. It's going to be an exciting video. It's a really cool place. If you're ever in the South St. Pete area, Fort De Soto is a really nice park, and I'm going to show you all kinds of stuff. They've got 2 fishing piers. I don't know that we'll be doing any fishing today. I really just kind of want to show you what the place is all about. It's super beautiful. It's a really clear blue sky. It's going to be a great day. So hit the like, hit the subscribe, and let's get her done. Fort De Soto State Park. See how empty this huge parking lot is? This will fill up very fast. Got a lot of people over here already getting their kayaks out. We are going to go to the fort, but first I want to walk out onto the second fishing pier here because it's a beautiful day, as you can tell. See some people with their yaks over there, and I want to see what the water looks like, so we're going to walk out into the pier. Look at that. Yep, this water's gorgeous. I know it's small on camera, but if you look at that island way out there, that's Egmont Key. When my wife gets back from Hawaii, I'm gonna take her out there because it's awesome. It's a 15-minute ferry ride, and the ferry leaves from here. Not this pier, it's the other pier, which I might take you guys to, but you leave from there, it's a ferry ride, $40 a person. Takes you over there, drops you off for a couple hours, and it's gorgeous. That's the fort over there. We're gonna head over there, but I kind of want to walk through there to the beach, get you guys closer to the agua. 3 tolls to get out this way, $5 to get in, and that's for the whole day to park. Oh gosh, man, look. That is stupid pretty. So this place is pretty popular for shelling. I brought my snorkel stuff. If the waves aren't and the current's not too super bad, maybe we'll swim around this and I don't know, see what's around. Better not be no creepy crawlies in here. So this is what being in jail feels like. I don't know what these rooms are used for, but they're long, dark, and creepy. Lots of echoing, clearly. This is where white people die in movies. So this used to be an old Navy fort. And this is the data booth. Oh, that thing's heavy. All right, if you want some info, pause. There, 1898. It's actually been around since 1840, but the war was back then. That was the fort, that was the whole thing, and it's actually pretty big. Doesn't seem like it because all the rooms look the same, so I didn't film too much. But they've got these cool little picnic areas here. Like there's a grill right here. You can grill out here. amongst the trees. All these benches in the shade, some there. That's actually a trail. There's a ton of trails here. You can see the bike riders over there. But you can rent electric bikes here. You can bring your own bikes. And like I said, you can kayak. And there are campgrounds here, so you can camp here. I don't know how much it costs. I'll post a link to this park below so you guys can take a look at that. It's time to hydrate. And like actually hydrate, because there's no alcohol allowed in this place. Now we're about to hop on a trail that starts right over there. Now there's an area over here called Arrowhead Picnic Area. You're probably not gonna see it on the camera, but way down there there's a sign that says it. You would just turn there. They've got all kinds of picnic areas. So we are going through here. Get outside, y'all. I'm glad I came outside. I hope this leads somewhere. It looks like this is traveled for maybe the rangers. I don't know if I should be walking down here, but there's only one way to find out. I didn't see a sign this way or that way. See how clear the water is here. Look at that cool shell right there. In the bay. Looks like there's a walking path through there. Obviously when it's high tide, this is all covered in water, but let's go take a look-see look. I might take off our shoes, walk around a little bit. Did not bring my water shoes, which was stupid. Water's cold, so I won't be swimming in it. Look how clear this water is. Myself. Buddy. Let him go. Hey, buddy. That's one of the many reasons why you want to have minimally some type of water shoes on. Because that guy is no joke. Them claws will break your toes. Hello, birdie. Oh, goodbye, birdie.